Hi everyone, we are from Group 3 and now we will present to you how to make a stir-fried tempeh. Happy watching! Here are the ingredients. First, we have fried oil. We have tempeh, long beans, spices, chili, soy sauce, bay leaf, and we have salt. Let's start to cook. First, turn on the stove and heat the oil in the pan. Add the tempeh and long beans in the pan. And then add the spices in the pan. After that, add the bay leaves and the chili which has been sliced. At the end, don't forget to add the soy sauce and the salt. After finish, it's time to plating. Here we go. This is the stir-fried tempeh. It tastes so delicious. Don't forget to try this recipe at home. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you.